yanig ng magnitude 7.8 na lindol ang Luzon. Sa 40 segundo, higit sa 1,000 buhay ang nalagas at 10 bilyong pisong danyos ang naitala.
Terrible kind of natural calamity.
Bantang gumalaw ang West Valley Fault na may kakayahang mag-generate ng 7.2 magnitude earthquake. 37,000 ang posibleng mamatay sa Metro Manila. Halos 150,000 ang lubhang masusugatan.
You may escape other kinds of calamity, but if earthquakes occur, there is no way out.
And there is the big one.
Unpredictable.
Dangerous.
The worst.
Are we really?
Prepared? Or are we?
Unprepared.
This is an earthquake awareness.
If you don't know what to do and where to go, just follow the tips that we prepare for you. These are what you are going to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Prepare a survival kit. Learn first aid. Learn the earthquake plan of your school or workplace.
Stay calm. If you're indoor, stay inside. If you're outdoor, stay outside.
If you're in the car, stop the car and stay inside the car until the earthquake stops.
If safe, seek to the nearest open field and do dump cover at home.
Check yourself and others' injuries. Provide first aid to anyone who needs it.
Stay away from the ocean. Go to the higher grounds. Tsunami may occur after the ground was shaking. Never attempt to watch tsunami.